Phimosis, causes and symptoms. Phimosis describes a condition in which the foreskin is too tight to be pulled back over the head or glands of the penis. Most uncircumcised babies and toddlers will have phimosis, meaning the foreskin cannot be retracted. This is because the glands and the foreskin remain connected for the few years of life. In adults, there are a number of risk factors and causes of phimosis, though it only tends to be a problem if it causes symptoms. In this video, we take a look at the causes and symptoms of this condition. Causes and risk factors. Phimosis only affects uncircumcised males and is more common in boys than men. Phimosis is normal in uncircumcised babies and toddlers, as the foreskin is still attached to the glands. It will start to detach naturally between 2 and 6 years of age, though it might happen later. It can happen at up to around 10 years old in some boys. The foreskin can be pulled back behind the glands in about 50% of 1-year-old boys and almost 90% of 3 years olds. Phimosis will occur in less than 1% of teenagers between 16 and 18. It is most likely to occur in older boys with repeated urinary tract infections, foreskin infection, repeated rough handling of the foreskin, foreskin trauma. In adults, risk factors of phimosis include sexually transmitted infections. Phimosis may be caused by skin conditions such as eczema, a long-term condition that causes the skin to become itchy, red, dry, and cracked. Psoriasis. This skin condition leads to patches of skin becoming red, flaky, and crusty. Lichen planus, an itchy rash that can affect different areas of the body. It is not contagious. Lichen sclerosus. This condition causes scarring on the foreskin that can lead to phimosis. It may be caused by a urinary irritation. Symptoms. Phimosis does not always lead to symptoms. When it does, however, this may include redness, soreness, or swelling. A tight foreskin may interfere with the normal passage of urine. In severe cases, this can prevent the person from emptying their bladder fully. Phimosis can lead to inflammation of the penis called balanitis, or inflammation of both the glands and the foreskin called balanoposthitis. These conditions both tend to be caused by poor hygiene. Symptoms of balanitis include soreness, itchiness, and odor, redness and swelling, a buildup of thick fluid, pain when urinating. During sex, phimosis may cause pain, skin splitting, or a lack of sensation. Wearing a condom and using lubricant can make intercourse more comfortable. Diagnosis. A doctor will take a full history from the person, asking about any previous penis infection or injuries they might have had. They may also inquire about the impact of any symptoms on sexual activity. A physical examination will include them looking at the penis and foreskin. The doctor may order urine test to check the urine infections or take a swab from the foreskin area to check for bacteria. Phimosis is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Adults presenting with a tight foreskin may be given blood and urine test to check their blood sugar levels as a result. Prevention. Preventing the symptoms of phimosis relies on good hygiene. Gently cleaning the penis and under the foreskin with warm water every day will help avoid problems. This will facilitate keeping the skin loose and avoiding infection. Caring for an uncircumcised penis. Men with an uncircumcised penis are recommended to pull back the foreskin and wash underneath it with warm water. Using a mild or non-perfumed soap will reduce the risk of irritation, as will avoiding the use of talc or deodorant on the area. Most uncircumcised baby boys have a foreskin that will not pull back because it is still attached to the penis. It will start to detach naturally between 2 and 6 years of age, although it could take longer. Parents should not try to force the foreskin back before it is ready, as this may be painful and damage the foreskin.